Yeah. Here you go, plastic cup.
just for it to look fried without oil.
And it's healthier.
That's what I need to eat tonight.
So how long? For how long? How
Um,
many minutes you put it in the air
I
fryer?
think it was 20 minutes.
Okay. Does it consume a lot of energy?
No, it doesn't.
Are you actually making the whole thing? You're making the whole process of cooking?
So you're going to put some Christmas tree in our house? I want to come and see your new house next time. I'll invite myself there if you want. I will invite myself there if you don't mind.
I remove many things.
Many things? Doesn't matter. I just want to see a location so I can show up anytime to buy them.
I remove many things because
Because?
I like to change once in a while.
Okay. But do you use your landlord's stuff or your stuff?
Most of the things that are there are the landlord.
Okay.
I have. Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
I don't
Today I'm gonna cook with mustard.
With what?
Mustard.
Yeah. Você come mostarda?
Don't be afraid of turning on this oven. Yeah, as you can see, you just add some oil. Yeah, just don't be afraid. Just put some oil. Yeah,
Afraid?
and
putting oil.
just enough oil. You don't need to exaggerate.
And I forgot to do the onions on the
Well, I forgot to do the onion, so I'm just doing it quickly. And as soon as it's done, I'm just putting it straight into the pan, so it will fry. You see, I just cut it in a very efficient way. So you can just follow me or cut the way you just normally do. But I learned this like with some specialist named Yara. She normally cuts like this, and I just copied her, and it's just very amazing. So for those that don't know, Yara is my friend. You can follow her on social media. Yara.Cambinda on Instagram. She doesn't have TikTok because she thinks she's like very old for that. Oh, that's amazing. So this is the beginning of our.
I'm gonna include it in the video.
Okay, guys. So the way you move like slowly, okay? Go around and around and around. Don't be afraid, okay? It's just a little bit of oil, hot oil. Yeah, sometimes you have to remove the wood from the other place so you can see it better. Yeah, keep moving like this.
Now I don't believe that you have stomach ache because I have so much energy to move.
It's stomach ache, it's not mouth ache. Mouth ache. Now, just follow me adding some tomatoes. Basically, I cut around like 4 tomatoes. You just cut it in slices here. Once it's done, you continue doing. So in Portugal, we call this refogado. In English, we call something else. And in Teto, we also call something else.
Oh, no name, no real name, just something else. Okay.
So guys, don't forget to follow up. My next video is gonna be how to make some rice in the
Right. Right in the what?
air fryer.
No.
Well, just put some.
This one is lemon,
Yeah, you just put some lemon mix.
dried lemon leaf.
If you want to buy this, you can find it at Main Mart. You can go there, and it's just less than $1. You can find it.
You know, you
easily.
sounded like you watch this kind of videos a lot.
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Now I'm professional.
What?
Now I'm professional just by watching. Okay, guys, just keep moving until you see a little bit more of color, you know. So the onions are gonna make and huge difference. Believe me, guys. Believe me. So don't forget to subscribe and put like and also just share what do you normally cook every day, every evening, every morning for breakfast. Also, share your ideas. What do you want me to cook next time? I'm just here to share with you like my day life. I really love you guys, and I just want to share how I really like to do things.
And this is her.
I'm not talking. Hi guys, so this is the update of what I'm doing. It's called,
What do you call this?
oh, okay. I feel like you're driving.
What?
You're driving, right?
Like what?
You are driving. Driving.
I am cooking right now. I'm not driving.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Really?
100%.
I really thought it was This is gonna be complicated because you're different.
No, the after is good too. It's a good reminder. You don't have to figure everything out.
You're not married anymore. Family planning and contraception. Oh, okay.
Contraception.
Okay, straightforward. Early decisions are essential.
What?
Early decisions are essential.
Okay.
Establishing a new home. You did a great job. The marriage adventure. Oh, I should read this. Oh, okay. There's a lot of intimacy in here.
Yeah.
Let's go to the other side.
Do you know that you have ADHD? Okay, dinner's ready. Finally, I can go and sit there and talk to him now, like a proper friend.
You're not talking now?
You know,
No.
sitting and engaging is different than cooking and talking.
I like that approach. I like the fellowship of you cooking and I'm reading books. Why?
Except you didn't read books, you read titles.
Who told you?
You read titles of the books.
I just don't read alcohol.
Okay, you win.
Into sugars to enable the cells to utilize them. To make a very aerodynamic comparison, sugar is for our bodies, but petrol is for the cars. Fuel. In addition to sugar, let me try to do a different accent.
Are you kidding? Do you really think I won't post this? I won't add this in my video. This is very cute.
Like some food.
Are you reading or you are funny in your mouth?
I'm doing the both things.
You're doing the both?
The both. What is that thing?
You think COVID is finished, but it's still around, so you must wash your hand properly. This is a hand washing techniques. It's a 30 seconds rule.
I'm still thinking that was for the wife, that was for the followers.
Baby, you understand what Yara says? Is it for me or for my subscribers?